Proverbes in wolof and English. Ay léebu yu ñuy war a tekki ci anglais. Wat gaal yëgoo. Moving a boat requires coordination. That is, to be successful, a group work should be done in total agreement. Yëngu. Lu yëngu la ko yëngal ko ëpp doole. Whatever is moving is less stronger than what's moving it. Behind any power is another hidden power. Yónni yóbbante. Yóbbante kuy tukkee ca gën. Better send on errands someone who's traveling. That is, if you want to say something to someone, tell it to someone who's going to see him or her. Yónni ma bu yàggul yàq. Send me on errands. If it doesn't take time, will bring troubles. When someone's eager to be given a task, he or she's got a different interest. Yootu. Bala ngaa yootu fa nga dëgg dëgër. Before trying reaching, you should stand firmly. That is, you have to be well prepared before acting. Dëkk dëkkuwaay. Dëkkandoo. Dëkkandoo jàmm ca gën bés du ñàkk. With neighbors, there's always a day. We have to be better to in good terms with our neighbors because a day will come when we'll need help from them. Dëkk. Nanu dëkk. Doy na dige. Let's live together is sufficient promise. That is, promising to live with someone is the best way to give the opportunity to be known. Kër. Kër mooy maye kër. Act to get a house. You'll have to move here and there to own a house. Njonkanaay sampul kër. Crouching doesn't build a house. That is, by not doing anything, you will never build a house. Néeg. Néegub jargoñ la, du la fegalu sedd, du la fegalu tàngoor. It's a spider's house. It doesn't prevent from cold nor against heat. What is mentioned is really useless. Toxu. Ku tàyyiwula toxu di nga xam fa dëkk neexe. If you're not tired moving out, you'll end up knowing where one can live a good life. That is, if you don't give up easily, you'll find your way. Gànjar wurus. Bu ñuy werante wurus ak similoor, booba tey lee jotul. There's an argument on whether real gold is better than faked one. It's because exchange time hasn't come. That is, simple words has no effects on real value. Garab yi Dakar. Dakar du wóom ku ko maccul. Tamarind doesn't harm who didn't suck it. That is, when complain about something, try to look at what you've done just before. Débbutoon gàtt na, waaye peram kenn du ko yéeg. In some cases, There are things you cannot do because those things protect themselves, like the tree having thorns on its trunk, what is called the button. Kettet buy la jik te buy daanuy toj. To be cut fastly comply with the baobab tree, but it breaks when it reaches the ground. That is, it's always good to do things in a fast way. Lu guy rëy rëy gi fay ndeyam. However big a baobab tree is, it comes from a small seed. That is, however important a man is, his parents, even if they are poor, will remain his parents or her parents. Ragal du jam guy. A fearful person will never stab a baobab. That is, in front of a huge task, the lazy one always gives up. Kad, karkar, mooy doon kad, lëppay mujje dewnde. The small plant will become the big tree. The paddle will be left to the butterfly. Kër, garab bu la sutul du la may ker. If a tree isn't higher than you, it can't give you shade. That is, a person cannot help you if he's not better off than you. Kuy jaay ker bu ngoonee nga lambale. If you selling shades, you will no longer sell once the sun is down. That is, when you only have something, when there is plenty of, you will never be the only one gaining from it.